Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Foot Lake and Hawk Lake, two quiet lakes east of Kenora, Ontario. These lakes are part of a network of waters that have been important to Indigenous communities for generations. Foot Lake got its name because of its footprint-like shape when seen from above, while Hawk Lake was named for the many birds of prey that soar over the treetops and water. In the early 1900s, loggers and trappers passed through this area, but it's always been more known for its peaceful beauty than busy industry. Today, small resorts and family cottages are scattered along the shorelines, offering a quiet retreat away from the city. Fishing is a favorite pastime here, with walleye, bass, and northern pike often making an appearance. Paddle out in a canoe and you'll likely spot loons, eagles, and maybe even an otter or two. Whether you're here for a day of fishing, a weekend at the cabin, or just to enjoy the northern air, Foot Lake and Hawk Lake welcome you with open arms. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Foot Lake, Ontario.
Thanks for watching!